In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear YouTube history on both mobile app and desktop website. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, I'm gonna show you how to clear YouTube history on mobile app. The process is similar on both Android and iOS devices, and first off, we need to open up YouTube app. Then make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and then tap right here where it says You. Then tap at that gear to head over to Settings, and then tap at Manage All History. After a couple of seconds, it will show you both of YouTube search and watch history in that list. And then if you would like to delete a particular item from that list, you can easily do so by tapping at that cross icon. That's how we can easily delete a particular item. However, also we can delete several items at once by hitting add delete. We can delete all the history for today just by tapping add delete today. Also, we can delete custom time range. That's where we need to enter two days after and before the time range. So in this way, by hitting add that calendar up, we can select after and before dates, just like that. And then to continue, tap at next and then delete. That's how we can delete history for a particular time range. However, if you would like to delete all the search and watch history for all the time, tap at delete and then tap at delete all time. After that, tap at delete again. On the desktop website, first off, head over to youtube.com, then make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and after that, at this left sidebar menu, click Add History. And then towards the right of the screen, you can easily find Manage All History. Just click on it. And then you will be taken to the screen that looks in the similar way. That's where we can delete a particular item from that list. And also in the same way, we can delete all the history for today, for the custom range, and for all the time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.